Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use back tap feature on iPhone Air. To enable this feature you have to open Settings on your iPhone, then scroll down to Accessibility Features and open this menu. Then scroll down to Physical and Motor category and find Touch. Tap on it, then scroll down this list until you find the back tap feature and tap on it. Now you can activate both double tap and triple tap features by going to one of these two menus. Here you'll find list of actions that you can use after either double tapping or triple tapping your iPhone's backside, depending on which menu you've chosen. For example, let's select Torch, which will enable Torch after double tapping the iPhone. So let's test this feature. In order to activate it, you have to unlock your phone and look at the display of your iPhone, then double tap the back side of your device and double tap it again to turn this feature off. We can also select an additional feature for triple tap. For example, let's select Camera, then go back, and then let's triple tap to see if it enables camera. Okay, and as you can see, it even took a photo after a second triple touch. And now to disable those two features, you just have to go into one of this menu and select None, and then do the same for the other menu. And that's how you can use the back tap feature on your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.